Hi, I'm Jonathan, and I'm excited to share a new security and data recovery feature for your smart display with iQ4. Update your iQ settings to the new Shared Access mode. This will let you bypass a forgotten Android PIN without wiping your device. No more factory reset, no more data loss, no more IT tickets. If someone's locked you out of your smartboard display, all you have to do is hit the cleanup button on the lock screen. In just a few seconds, the board is reset and unlocked. Your whiteboard files and lessons are maintained in the public folder, along with all the files saved in your personal profile. But what if I actually need to lock down my smartboard display? Sign in with your school or workplace login and iQ4 sets up that personal profile automatically. It's secure, it's yours, and it's always ready. Use your NFC card or scan the QR code for a fast, no-fuss login. Built for shared spaces like classrooms, Smart iQ4 is all about flexibility, security, and saving time. Because IT teams and educators have better things to do than reconfigure devices from scratch. Learn more today at smarttech.com.